Today, KIT Group of Institution is really honored to welcome one of our proud alumni, Mr. Suraj Shukla, who is currently working with Microsoft. We warmly welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
So, back after a decade in the college, how does it feel to be there, and what is that one feeling that hit you the moment you enter the institution?
See, nostalgia I would classify as the primary feeling that I get. Not being too formal, but I could also, get some hints of, proud there, because as soon as I walked into the campus, I could see a lot of changes for the benefit of the students. First thing I could see, the vertical partitions. So, for example, within the computer science community, which I was a part of, I can see various things being set up, AI Center for Excellence, cyber security. So I could see a lot of innovation being driven around here, and also in non-CS communities also I could see a lot of buildings and infrastructure, which is currently super good.
That is amazing. So from 2013 batch pass out to the Microsoft office, what is that one journey you can describe in that?
See, my journey consists of ups and downs, but generally I've been a fundamental person. I've always wanted to be a technical person, to do, build software products, write code. That's I wanted to do from day one. It has transitioned into various phases. I worked as an individual contributor, as an engineering manager, as a team lead. And how do I say, each of those nuances have helped me to build my personality, which has brought up till here. But one thing I would say is that my journey consists of learning code. That's the primary perspective that I have in life. That's the primary thing that I do. That's how I earn my bread.
So what is that one piece of advice you can give to the nurturing, the budding tech coders, techies in the institute, and how they can reach and scale up to those heights?
Be true to yourself. If you read a concept, just don't make your mind feel that you have studied it. Be true to it. Let that concept be deep rooted in your mind, and then build on those concepts, whatever is related. Just an example, if you study databases, then really study databases for a while, compare all the databases, turn them into practical implementations. Your conscience should say that you're doing the right thing and you have grasped the concept, not just for the theory of it. You should be true to the learning that you make.
So what you will prefer, code or creativity in your current job scenario?
Code any day of my life.
So you have worked with giants such as Google, Paytm, and now Microsoft. So what is that one life lesson or that one learning from KIT which has moved along with you?
You'll always need support. That's one learning that I had. I have made really good friends on campus here that have helped me through various phases of my life, and that constant support is always required, be it from your family, be it from the colleagues that you have in your office, be it from your old friends. Support is something that you'll always need to guide you through, and that's a must.
That's amazing. So what if Microsoft comes for the recruitment activities at KIT Group of Institution? So as a recruiter, as a hiring manager, what qualities would you look for in that candidate? So can you please help? Because this might be a very potential question and a very lucrative question for our viewers.
It is a really subjective question. Different people hiring for different roles look for different things. But
the background here.
Yeah, but what I would do is I would look for a problem solver. So a person who bangs his head on the problem until it gets solved, and a really fundamentalistic person. So for example, when you're building an app, the way that app is built, how the frameworks are used, how those frameworks are built, how the protocols behind those frameworks are built, and you keep on going a level deeper until and unless you don't feel tired.
So the 3 words to club up that recruitment question:
study hard, fundamental, and practical applications.
That's amazing. So the 3 words which you can describe from your journey from KIT to Microsoft.
Okay, so the first thing is a bad student, and then a good learner, and then a good mentor.
That is another epic combination I've heard so far. So thank you so much, Suraj sir, for your enlightening words and very important, insightful things for our students who can grab it. And we wish you all the best, and KIET is really proud to have you today with us. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.